But if you don't want it to be on, you can just turn it off. Hello guys, and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can change your DNS settings on our browser. So you're here because you're confused because, hey, on Google Chrome I usually have the settings on the top right, but now I don't have anywhere to find it. There's no triple dots. And even if I go here, yeah, this is the tutorial. If you go here, you'll find settings. And even if I go here, there's no settings. Well, what you can do now is you just have to click on the profile that you want to change or the one that you're using. This one is what I'm using, the default profile right now. So all you need to do is click on it and head over to privacy and security. And once you're here, you're like, oh my god, this is exactly the same as what we have in Google Chrome, because basically similar. You have the same settings, and what you need to find now is your DNS settings, and you can do that by searching up here DNS. And once you're here, you'll find your security settings. You have here your safe browsing settings, whether you want your protection to be enhanced, standard, or nothing at all. And here you'll find our search results, which is use secure DNS. By default, it should be turned on, but if you don't want it to be on, you can just turn it off. So when you turn it on, you'll be given another option, which is to select the DNS provider. So right now it's set to always default, and if you click on it, you will have the option to add different DNS as you see fit for your browsing experience. So we have here set one, such as open DNS, clean browsing, which is good for your if you want to live cleanly. Next DNS, there's Google, then Cloudflare. But if you want to add your own, you just need to click on this and you can just type here the DNS that you want to put in. So let's say I want to put in the clean browsing. I can just set that to that one, and the next time you open this browser, it should take effect. So that's it. That is how you can set your manage your DNS settings on our browser. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.